Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that actually Grayscale stepped back and actually pulls back its futures Ethereum ETF plan, and this caused some confusion on the market. Then I have great news for those who lost money because of the FTX situation back in 2022, because it looks like they're getting back their money and actually they're getting back more than they lost. And also, let's talk about a little bit about the Bitcoin spot ETF situation, how, the institutions are accumulating and so on and so forth. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's what you like, then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button. And now let's do it. But before we move on to the news, let's have a quick look at the price. So Bitcoin is down 2.8%, so 62,252 US dollar. Then we have Ethereum down a bit more, 3.6, and why I'm going to tell you in a second. Then we have the top gainers, Torchain up more than 3%, Leo 2%, and Tron 2.6. So no major move. This should be other way around. Oh, no, it's fine. Tron is less than 2. And among the losers, Dog with Head going down 11%, Injective 10%, Singularity Net almost 10%, and many others. So now it's a bit more red day than a green one. When we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see here that yes, we had this pump here, but now we were rejected around above 65,000, and now we kind of coming back. We're going to see how this support going to hold us. And okay, now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that we have Grayscale, which who pulls its futures ETF plan, and this caused some confusion on the market. Well, so here's this move. You can see it here, and sorry, I just lost somewhere. I highlighted it, but now I lost it. Anyway, bottom line is that they actually have withdrawn their Ethereum futures ETF application. And, it was kind of surprise for the market, because why do they do so? Recently, we have also a Gary Gensler interview. They're always great ones, asking Gary Gensler about Ethereum. Is it a security? Is it not? And again, he didn't give any answers, and now this move from Grayscale. However, I have to highlight that actually they still have the application for the spot Ethereum ETF. So this is still on. And here we have, the deadlines for the spot one. And, the latest it goes for iShares and Fidelity. They are kind of in August. So many people saying that nothing will happen here in May. They probably going to reapply, and then maybe later this year, or actually next year. But there is a lot of question around it. Michael Saylor, who really just for Bitcoin, is saying that the Bitcoin is the only spot ETF that the SEC approves, and Ethereum and the others just not going to happen. So, well, we're going to see it, but for sure this caused some confusion on the market, and therefore we could see also Ethereum price going down, and of course many tokens on Ethereum are affected as well. But this could be some FUD as well. Anyway, I just wanted to keep you up to date. Right. Now, the next topic I would like to talk about is all about the FTX situation, because now it's good news for those who felt they lost their money because they held it on FTX, because probably now they can get it back. Well, this just came out, and we can see that most FTX account holders will get their money back after bankruptcy. So the reorganization plan for Sam Bankman-Fried's failed crypto exchange will pay 118 cents on the dollar. That means basically 18% more that they kind of lost. and 98% of creditors who hold, 50,000 US dollar or less in claims will get back the money. Here they're saying that FTX said it had gathered roughly 15 billion US dollar, mostly from selling venture capital investments made by the exchange and its trading affiliate, Alameda Research. So this is how they got the money, and now they're going to pay back even actually more. So when exactly, I don't know, but if that's happening, definitely great news for sure. Okay, and finally, let's talk about how much already Blackrock and Fidelity holding, how much Bitcoin, how many Bitcoin, actually, this is more correct. And also, we have another institutions who are investing now, the reports coming out. So let's talk about that. Well, so we have here BlackRock Fidelity combined holding 427,185 Bitcoin. The value of this Bitcoin is roughly 27 billion US dollar. And actually, these ETFs hold 212,907 more Bitcoin than MicroStrategy. And just think about it, BlackRock Fidelity, they're big guys, but they just started to accumulate this year. MicroStrategy is doing DCA since 2020 August. Also, when we're looking at the outflows from Grayscale, we had 2 positive days. It was Monday, yesterday, and last Friday. But now we had a tiny outflow on Tuesday. So yeah, not bad at all. And now we have, some others. They actually showing the reports. They're holding, Bitcoin ETFs. Investment firm discloses over 1.8 billion in Bitcoin ETFs holding in SEC filings. So this is, I'm not sure how to pronounce this, Susquehanna International Group, a global trading and technology and investment firm, disclosed that it holds over 1.8 billion in Bitcoin exchange traded funds. And according to the report, the filling, the majority, a bit more than 1 billion US dollar, is in Grayscale Bitcoin ETF, so in GBTC. So now these reports and feeling coming out and showing that who is actually already in the game, and more players, because of they can see what others do, they probably will get into the game as well. Right, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.